How to get money off stocks on Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to get money off stocks on Cash App. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app as you can see from here. Next, tap on the bank icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the money section of your Cash App account as you can see here. On this page, you will see various options that have features that are related to money. From them, make sure you scroll down a little bit and come to this section here. After that, tap this option here named Stocks. This will appear where you will see charts showing you the prices of stocks. Next, scroll and come to this page where you will see all the different stocks you have in your portfolio, just like you can see here. For the purpose of the tutorial, I will use one of them and show you how to get money from it. So go ahead and tap on the stock you want to sell. After doing that, this other page will appear. On this page, there are various options. From the options that appear here, the one we need is found in this section at the center of the page. To get money off of your stock, you have to sell the stock. To do that, all you have to do is to tap on this option here named Sell. After that, if the market is open, you will be able to sell your stock. And sometimes the market may be closed, so you will need to schedule the sale. And once the market is open, the stock will be sold. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to get money off stocks on Cash App.